Hello, welcome back. It's another beautiful spring day. Come join me, we're gonna check out my hideout. Well, I busted out the Walmart combination saw and axe. Works alright. It did a decent job tonight, so it's okay for now. And we'll see how many more uses till it falls apart. Able to do a little bit more on the shelter. Still not a lot of greenery on the deciduous yet, so it'll be a bit before I can really fill in. So here's an idea of what it's like from the inside. So the outside's going to be wrapped in some tarps and I think maybe some spruce boughs or something, something more natural on top of the tarps as well. And so it'll be waterproof, windproof, everything else. Just a spot a guy can sit down and hide out and get out of the weather. Maybe do overnight or something even.